Oh, there you go. That's it. Grab his ass. Grab his ass, Zach. Attaboy.
You feel like a stripper now?
Zach, get your arm out of his ass.
No, not your thumb. Yeah, just keep backing up on his pole.
Oh, Jesus. Back that ass up, Dan. Back that ass up.
No, too many. You guys going upside down? Go downward.
Whoa, he said go down more.
Oh, he's all the way in. Oh, he's rotating.
Uh-oh.
Dan, you gotta rotate.
Rotate and spin. How's that feel on your balls? What are you doing, Dan? You turning over? There's Brett in action.
Jesus, didn't that learn that for the first two guys?
He's moving down the pole a lot quicker than our previous two. He's got some experience. Uh-oh, here he goes for the sit and spin. He's doing the spin move.
Hang upside down.
There it is.
We'll get a picture.
He's hanging on with his legs. Woo!